Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to send GIFs on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending GIFs on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Select a chat you want to send GIFs. Now you are seeing emoji icon in bottom left corner. Click on it. Now you are seeing GIFs in bottom center. From here, you can find GIF. Click on it. Now click on send icon. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send GIFs on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.